How to fix iOS 16 stock and update requested on iPhone or iPad. Let's get started. Launch your settings, navigate to the option of General, click on the option Date and Time, toggle on for the option of Set Automatically. Head back, navigate to the option of VPN and Device Management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. Then head back, go to the main page of settings, click on the Wi-Fi option. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, head back. Navigate to the option of General. Click on the option iPhone Storage. Here you're gonna find different option. Find the option iOS 16. Click on that. Delete it. After you do that, check if you have enough storage in your device or not. If not, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Then you can head back. Navigate to the option Apple ID given at the very top. Now click on the option of Shine Out, then again Shine In back, then head back, navigate to the option of General, click on the option Software Update. Now go ahead and click on Update Now. Your problem will be resolved. So this way you can easily fix iOS 16 stock on update requested on iPhone or iPad. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share or subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.